We previously discussed about the first 3 countries in Know the Country series from 3 different continents. Let's continue our discussion on the next country in this list from Europe. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon if you haven't done already so that you won't miss more interesting videos in the future. Without any further delay, let's start today's episode. Hello aspiring Sarvagnanis. Welcome to my channel. This video explains about the basic details about the 4th country in this series, Andorra. Andorra is officially known as the Principality of Andorra. It is a landlocked country and is located on the Iberian Peninsula in the eastern Pyrenees mountain range. The boundaries are France to the north and Spain to the south. Since the country is located in the mountainous region, Andorra has cold winters and mild summers. There is more snow during the winter and has good skiing conditions. The average temperature range is between -2 degrees centigrade and 24 degrees centigrade. Andorra consists of 7 communities known as parishes. It is the 6th smallest nation in Europe, having an area of 468 square kilometers. Andorra is approximately 2.5 times the size of Washington DC. As of today, the current population is estimated to be just above 77,000, which constitutes 0.00099% of the total world population. It is the 11th smallest country by population. The population density in Andorra is 164 persons per square kilometer. About 87.8% of their population is urban. The male to female ratio is approximately 1.06. Andorra's government setup is a bit complicated. It has a parliamentary system of government and regularly holds free and fair elections. The Prime Minister, who is elected by the people, is the head of government of the Principality of Andorra. However, more than 50% of their population are non-citizens and do not have right to vote. In addition to that, 2 unelected co-princes, the French president and the Roman Catholic Bishop of Lacio de Urgell, Spain, from the 2 neighboring countries serve jointly as Andorra's ceremonial heads of state. Andorra is one of the few countries in the world where the adult literacy rate is virtually 100%. The government directs by law that every child between the ages of 6 and 16 is required to submit to compulsory attendance within its school systems. As of today, the average life expectancy at birth is estimated to be around 82.4 years and is in the top 10 countries with the highest life expectancy. More than 90% of the population of Andorra is Roman Catholic. Small numbers of Muslims, Hindus, Jews, non-believers and atheists constitute less than 10% of their population. Andorra's constitution provides for religious freedom in the country. Catalan is the official language of Andorra. It is also the historical and traditional language of the country used by government, television, radio and other national media. Spanish is the most popular foreign language which is spoken by more than 2/3 of their population, as there are many Spanish immigrants residing in this country. Other popular foreign languages in this country include Portuguese and French. According to the World Bank, the gross domestic product in Andorra was approximately $3.15 billion in 2019, which represents 0.036% of the world economy. Andorra never had its own currency. Even though it is not a member of European Union, it uses the euro as its currency. Before that, the Spanish peseta and the French franc from its 2 neighboring countries were used as its currency. As of today, 1 euro equals 1.16 United States dollar. Tourism is the main source of income for Andorra because of its duty-free status and its summer and winter resorts. The main exports are tobacco products and furniture, mainly to Spain and France. The main imports are consumer goods, food and electricity from Spain, France and the United States. With just a limited population in this country, the GDP per capita in Andorra is above $40,000. No data exists on poverty in Andorra, but it is generally assumed to be non-existent. Andorrans enjoy a high standard of living. The national flag of Andorra features a vertical tricolor of blue, yellow and red bars with a width ratio of 8:9:8. The center of the flag contains the coat of arms of Andorra, which is a historical symbolism to Bishop of Urgell, Count of Foix, Catalonia and the Viscounty of Bearn. The design was standardized in July 1993 after Andorra joined the United Nations. The cattle, a member of Bos genus family, are the national animal of Andorra. The bearded vulture is the national bird of Andorra. Andorra is in the Central European time zone, which is 1 hour ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. Like most states in Europe, summertime is observed in Andorra time where the time is shifted forward by 1 hour, that is 2 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time, and is also known as Central European Summer Time. Andorra la Vella is the capital of the Principality of Andorra. Located at an elevation of 1023 meters, it is the highest capital city in Europe and a popular ski resort. Escaldes, Engordany, San Julia de Loria and Encamp are the other major cities in this country. Must-see places in this country include Casa de la Vella, which is a historical house, and Sant Esteve Church in its capital, Andorra la Vella. Unique ski resorts during winter and bike park during the summer time in Walnut, St. John de Cassilis Church in Canilo, Caldia, which is the largest spa resort of Europe in Escaldes, Engordany, National Automobile Museum and the ski centers in Encamp, and the scenic hiking trails of Sorteny National Park in Ordino. Most popular food in Andorra include escudella, which is a soup or stew with cooked pasta, pulses, meat and different vegetables, trinchat, which is made with chopped and mashed cabbage and potatoes, cargols, where the snails are slow roasted with salt, pepper and olive oil, ambotits, which are cured and dry sausages usually made from pork, and crema andorrana, which is a creamy custard-like dessert. Football, rugby and basketball are the most popular sports in this country. Other popular sports in Andorra include roller hockey, volleyball, cycling, handball, gymnastics, swimming, motor sports, tennis and judo. And this concludes our discussion on Andorra, which is the fourth country in this series. How did you guys like it? Do you want me to add any more details about a country in my next videos? Let me know in the comments below and also share any of your experiences with this country that you may have. And now the fact of the day. As Andorra is located between the naturally protective walls of the Pyrenees Mountains, the only way to reach Andorra directly is by road. There are no train lines and no airports in Andorra. The nearest international airports are Toulouse in France and Barcelona in Spain.